Hi guys, New Year calls for a new self-care routine. I'm going to be walking you through my 2024 shower routine. Before I begin, subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Let me start by sharing my in-shower routine. I begin by cleansing my face to get rid of any impurities and lingering dirt particles. During the winter months, I prefer extra moisture on my face. So I've been using the Pond's Hydralyte Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Gel Face Wash. Infused with hyaluronic acid and pentavitin, it offers 72 hours of deep hydration, safeguards against moisture loss, and enhances the resilience of my skin barrier. Moving on, my skin tends to get super dry, and that extra exfoliation always makes my skin super soft and smooth. My go-to scrub is the Love Beauty and Planet Turmeric and Moringa Body Scrub. The turmeric, known for its de-tanning properties, and the clay, popular for its gentle exfoliation, gives me that youthful glow that I love. For the final cleanse, I go with the Love Beauty and Planet Coffee and Warm Vanilla Sulfate-Free Body Wash. Packed with coffee and natural vanilla extracts, it not only smells amazing but also perks up my senses and goes the extra mile by deeply moisturizing the skin. Now for my hair, since I've been facing a lot of hair fall, I'm loving the Dove Hair Therapy Breakage Repair Shampoo. Featuring a potent combination of Nutri-Lock serum and a moisturizing potion, it goes beyond the surface to deeply repair the hair at a cellular level. It's my reliable pick for restoring strength and resilience to my locks. To make sure I maintain the moisture levels, let me introduce you to the new Dove 10-in-1 Deep Repair Hair Mask. Packed with bioprotein fusion designed specifically for damaged hair, it can actually undo 3 years of damage in just a single wash. It's like a reset button for your hair's health and hydration, leaving you with revitalized and nourished locks. So, post-shower, I'm on a mission to tame the frizz in my hair. So on the damp hair, I apply the Tresemme Keratin Repair Bondplex Oil Hair Serum. It's the quick fix for my hair craves after facing heat, chemicals, and color damage. When it comes to body care, my go-to is the Vaseline Coco Glow Whipped Body Butter. This lotion provides 100% moisture boost and a 24-hour hydration. It drenches my skin in hydration, evens my skin tone, and provides a radiant glow. With that, I'm all geared up to face whatever the day brings. That was all for my 2024 Everything Shower routine. Do try it out. Time for me to go. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications.